everyone, Mark here with another product information video for you. Today we're going to be looking at our SuperSonic Quick Detailer. Now this is a water-based, cross-linking, SI02 infused nano-hybrid quick detailer. So this can be used as a standalone product, or it can be used to top up your existing protection on your SuperSonic. It can also be used, because it's pH neutral, it can also be used on top of ceramic coatings as well. Now if you're using this as a standalone product, there's two different ways you can use this. You can use it by simply spraying onto your dry vehicle and then buffing off, or you can even use it as a drying aid, so you can spray this on top of a wet vehicle and then towel it off. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some of our SuperSonic QD, we're going to take it through to the detailing bay, and we're going to give you a quick demonstration. Thanks for joining me in Ceramic Bay. We've got our SuperSonic QD and one of our edgeless buffing towels, which is what you need to apply the QD with. Now what we're going to do is 2 sprays onto an area sort of this size, and then get our towel and we are just going to work that in, and as you can see, it's disappeared. A really easy to apply QD, this one. If you need to, turn the towel over and just buff. Make sure you've got rid of all that residue. And like SuperSonic Sealant, gives you a lovely slick finish to your paintwork, great shine, great gloss. So as mentioned in the start of the video, you can use SuperSonic QD as a drying aid, and you can use it on a wet car. So I'm just going to demonstrate that now. So just 3 spritzes onto the panel there. And then I'm going to get my Hustler drying towel, and I'm just going to dry it off as I usually would. Just get all of that off, all the water as well. I'm just going to flip it. There we go, and as you can see, dries off really nicely. Obviously imparts some of that SuperSonic QD onto the paintwork. Now obviously with it being used with water, it is slightly more diluted than if you use it on a dry panel, but still it works really well, especially well if you've got your SuperSonic Sealant underneath there already. Great little tip for using SuperSonic QD there. So there we have it, SuperSonic QD, a really versatile product. Once again folks, thank you so much for watching, we really do appreciate it. If you want to be notified of when we release another video, hit the bell icon and you'll be told. Stay safe and we'll see you again soon.